What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Pain and Nagato. So, split portrait. I've done a split portrait of Pain and Nagato already. But I wanted to do one where he's kind of like, this sort of older version of Nagato with the sort of skinny face and all this kind of stuff. The sort of worn out body. So, Pain is definitely like one of my favorite characters in Naruto. So, I thought I'd do this again because it's kind of cool. So, let's give it a go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We'll start with Nagato, we'll start with his eye, right? So we go diagonal up and over. So you want this to be kind of a thick line. So goes underneath his hair, but we'll just go down anyway and across for the bottom eyelid. Like so. Of course, the Rinnegan inside, right? So we got like pupil. And then a circle around that. So if you're only good at drawing circles, give it your best shot. Another circle around that circle. And then lines around that. I don't like that one, I'm just going to fix it, sorry. So I think it should just be like a little bit more round here. Yeah, a bit better. Right, so then we got an eyelid line coming around here. And then he has some eye lines down this way. Bags under his eyes. And then his eyebrow, just here. And we'll add a sort of section to color in. Like so. Alright, so then his nostril, just here. And then his mouth, semi-open, right? So comes across a line like that, and then just add the top lip line. Just down there. And then his bottom lip here. Like so. And then chin. Just here. Right, and roughly speaking, eyes to nostril is about the same as nostril to chin. So here to here, say like top of his eye, about the same as nostril to chin. And nostril to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay, that's the proportion we're dealing with. And then you get the jaw and you go up the side. Then you change direction. To there. And he's got these skinny cheekbones. And we'll add some hatching. Some lines inside there. There's also some hatching in here, so we might as well add it. Like so. Right, so then his hair, long fringe, comes down across the eye. Cuts it off a little bit there. Like so, and then this hair spike here. Like that. And spike here, and then this goes up and around for the top of his head. Around that way. So he's kind of hunched over, so his neck comes down this way. Like his trapezius muscle. And then his shoulder comes out from there, down, around, like that. Collarbone here. Collarbone always goes towards your shoulder. Like so, and he's real skinny, so there's like these extra sort of muscle fiber lines. And of course he has those black bars in him. And some more bone lines here. There. And just coming around his shoulder here. Like that. I did the black bars that come out from behind him, so. And some of them appear to be like half bars, are they? Or broken, or maybe like double, so. Like this. And another one here. Here. That, so bar, empty space, bar. Like that. Okay. So that's Nagato. Now Pain. So I've tried to get him to match up as best I could, but they're kind of different proportions, right? So his eye is kind of like just a little bit lower down. So we go across like that. This goes down to there. And we'll just darken this up a little bit. And then the bottom eyelid line comes across here. And then again, the Rinnegan. So he's kind of looking up a bit. So pupil there. And then circles coming around. I hate this bit. It's always hard drawing these circles. Something like just in the corner of his eye here. Like so. Okay, so what we can see for his nose, just a line coming down there. Eyelid line comes across, and the eyebrow goes underneath his headband, right? But there's just like a line there. And then he has all these piercings that come down, these sort of black boxes that kind of stick out from his skin. 3 of them on the nose. Like that. And then his nostril lower down than Nagato's, so just like there. And then his mouth like that. And then he's got another piercing here. And then we can't see his chin, so it's just like his collar comes out from here. And then the headband up here. And the rest of that eyebrow then, like so. So his jaw then comes out from his collar, just here. And we change direction up around side of his face. Bit of a sideburn. Orange hair sticking down there. His ear then comes around and down into here. And then a bar and hair. Long orange hair. And a neckline just there. So in the inside of his ear, goes around like so. Like that. And then there's a bar that runs down in his ear. And it comes out the other side. And then his headband here. Piercings then on the ear. So, rest of his collar, around there, down, off the page that way, and then the red Akatsuki band like so. And then top of the headband, right about here. Then we have a hair spike that comes down this way. Another hair spike here, and these go all around his head. They'll go off my page somewhere, but if you more room, you know, you could go the whole way around. And then just the metal plate inside his head. His plate mark like so. Right, but I think that's everything. That is how to draw Pain / Nagato. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.